Hi guys, we're here in Mission Viejo. We're at Oktoberfest. If you want to see a real Oktoberfest, I'll put a link below. But this is Mission Viejo every third Saturday of the month. Come on down.
Dude, the best tamales in town. They're
Empanadas.
I want an empanada, I want a tamale.
So much food here, you guys. This is a night market. They're open every third Saturday of the month. Today just happens to be Oktoberfest. Hi, baby. What is that? They look great. So, German deli. Check out this line.
I feel like a kid again. Well, I'll never grow up anyway.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I feel like a kid every day. And there's only one food truck that's doing German food, so we got
Lupia.
So Kathy got the Filipino egg rolls.
Wow.
Really nice people. I think they said they were from South Carolina and they had to close their business from COVID. So they are here. So if you like pancit or lumpia, they even had Fan Masubi, Kathy's favorite. How is it?
Really good.
How about the sauce? You didn't use any of the sauce. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. If you look around, pretty busy. It's Saturday night. How's it with the sauce? Is that kind of like a sweet sauce? Sweet chili?
Want to try one?
Yeah. It's like almost homemade. It's not like...
Wow, that's good. It's pretty good, you guys.
I like it.
Yeah. I might have to go back and grab a masubi.
Bring your food home.
What do you think? It's crunchy, it's good.
Crunchy on the outside, lots of filling. I like the sauce.
Yeah, I knew you would like the sauce.
All right, so we're gonna eat this up, and I saw a place that said the best tamales.
So we're gonna hit that up, and they have empanadas, so we'll be doing that as well.
All right, show you some more food.
Jenga centers for the kids. So the sign said the best tamales ever, so let's check it out. Oh my gosh. So these beers are $8 a piece, which is a bit spendy, but what do you expect, right? I will hold the beer. And Dave's gonna show you the tamale.
So yeah, 3 different kinds of sauce. Mild, medium, and hot. And we like it hot. The massa's nice and soft, fluffy. That's spicy.
Spicy. I still have beer, so you can have some beer.
That's spicy. Yeah, I'd go with the medium if you're not a spice freak. Really
Good?
Mm-hmm.
$5 for the tamale, which is not bad for a
Not
night
bad.
market.
We got some empanadas coming up, and they were $9.
So let's see how good those are. Those should be
Man,
ready
good.
in about a minute or so.
I would give them. Kudos on that. It's pretty good.
That's a big tamale, you guys.
Let's see what Kathy thinks. It's spicy.
Ooh, the massa's nice, you guys.
Yeah, nice and fluffy.
Mmm. That's a good tamale. I've never seen one that big before, though.
Yeah, for $5, that is a good deal.
Mmm. Definitely come to this market. They're here every Saturday, or not every Saturday.
Every third Saturday.
Mm-hmm. but really good, you guys.
It's for $5. I mean, for it's kind of like a fair situation where everything's really expensive. This is a decent price.
The beer's not so much.
Not so much the beers, and that goes for any place.
And they ran out. Can you believe it?
All right, we're gonna finish this up and go get our empanada.
Yeah, absolutely. Cheers. So we got some empanadas. I don't know if you know Dave and I, we love empanadas, but I'm not sure. They look a little burnt.
Yeah.
You gonna do it without the sauce or what?
Yeah, at first. Which one do we get?
Ground beef. That looks pretty good.
Yeah. So the outside's really crunchy. I've never had them so crunchy before. Be careful with these things.
Do you want
I'm gonna try without the chimichurri sauce. Pretty good. Got a lot of different spices in there for sure.
Dave's gonna try the chimichurri.
Ugh. I can't get any of the parsley in there, but
Good, you guys. For $9, I was like, they better give us 2.
yeah, more expensive than I'm used to. Oh my goodness. All right.
There's potatoes in here, carrots.
Yeah, I don't know if they kind of overcooked them. Pretty good though.
Flavored really well.
The chimichurri sauce. I didn't really get anything out of it because I couldn't get deep enough the parsley on there.
It's not bad, you guys. It's pretty good, actually.
So yeah, if you happen to be on the 3rd Saturday of the month, come check this place out. It's pretty
They always
busy.
have a live band. Beers are expensive. I suggest going to a place, drinking a little bit, and then coming here for food.
Yeah, make sure you drive home safe though.
Absolutely. Cheers, you guys. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already and you're not subscribed, make sure to do so. We appreciate you.